Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by checking Chrome's theme and your operating system mode so you can change the source of dark appearance. Open Chrome, go to Settings, then Appearance and inspect Theme. Switch to Light if available. Next, check your Windows or Mac OS system appearance settings because Chrome can follow System Dark mode. If you change either setting, make sure to restart Chrome so the new theme fully applies. This prevents cached UI colors from lingering. Once you confirm the basic settings, you need to override experimental options that force dark styling. In Chrome's address bar, type Chrome //flags and search for Force Dark or Auto Dark flags. If any are set to enabled, change them to disabled. This stops Chrome from inverting page colors artificially. After altering flags, hit Apply and relaunch so Chrome restarts cleanly. Make sure websites and extensions are checked afterward, because some can still impose dark styles. To finish, inspect extensions and site styles that can enforce dark mode. Open extensions and temporarily disable any dark theme or accessibility add-on, then clear browser cache and test in an incognito window to isolate effects. If pages still appear dark, reboot your laptop to reset system theme hooks and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if disabling extensions doesn't help, create a new Chrome profile. Corrupted profiles can
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.